Hello students, in today's session we'll be learning about tax planning. Today everyone are salaried person or the every individual are earning an amount from various sources. That may be salary, house property, capital gain or other source. Also currently we have old regime and new regime. For saving a tax we need to plan accordingly. For that, Energy Vidya created a tool which include option to show the difference between the old regime and a new regime. Also, we can show how much amount we can save as a tax saving by selecting an appropriate regime. Now let's move to Energy Vidya platform and there we will understand about this old regime and new regime difference. I hope you can see my screen now. So we'll click on tax planning section. Now let's read this example. At the age of 34, Mr. Krishan Kumar has various sources of income and is seeking to strategize for assessment year 23-24. To facilitate the tax planning process, your task is to identify specific details from the provided information. His income source include 12,58,000 from salary, 25,000 from house property, 40,000 from business or profession, 52,000 from other source. Additionally, he has invested 1 lakh rupees in tax saving provident fund. Calculate the following details for tax planning. Number 1. Tax liability under new regime, tax liability under old tax regime, tax saving between old and new tax regime, which tax regime is more beneficial. So now let's start this task. So we'll click on income tax calculator on right hand side and we'll select appropriate assessment year. In our case, assessment year is 23-24. His age is 34, it means below 60. His income from salary is 12,58,000. So I'll put 12,58,000. His income from house property is 25,000. His income from business or profession is 40,000. So I'll put 40,000 over here. Now income from other sources 52,000. So 52,000. So you can see his total income is grand total income GTI 13,75,000. Deduction, he has invested 1 lakh rupees, so he'll get deduction under section 80C. So 1 lakh rupees. Now you can see taxable income under old regime is 12,25,000 and taxable income under new regime is 13,75,000. You can see taxable income under new regime is more. Now, because we don't get deduction under new regime, so we'll click on calculate. Now you can see under old regime, we need to pay tax of rupees 1,87,200. On the other side, in new tax regime, we have to pay tax of rupees 162,500. So it means clearly new tax regime is more beneficial for SSC. So what we'll do, we'll click on answer. So we'll put tax liability under new regime, that is 162,500. We'll put tax liability under old regime, that is 187,200. And the difference between old regime and new regime tax amount is, you can calculate, it's 24,700. There is a difference. There is saving. If we opt for new scheme, we can save tax of rupees 24,700. This is the tax planning. So we'll select obviously new scheme and click on validate. So you can see, congratulations, you completed all the answers in a right format. So I'll click OK. So I hope you have understood about old regime and new tax regime. See you in another video. Thank you very much. Happy learning.